Greetings from Madagascar. The Sacred Heart of Jesus is the fountain of God's love. Those who drink it and take bath in it cannot but see God in other. In my childhood days, when I started to recognize everything, I noticed that in the living room of our house and inside my heart too, a consecrated picture of Jesus with the broken heart. In times of trouble, it draws us towards this for comfort and peace. Even today, it is the same. In 2001 at Angelisatu, the Church of St. Joan of Arc, as it was small and congested, gave us a thirst for a new church. It was the same year, the month of June, one Friday, on the feast day of Sacred Heart of Jesus, Bishop Donald Pelletier came here and laid the foundation stone for the new church. The following year, 2002, on the feast day of Sacred Heart of Jesus, Bishop consecrated the new church. Well pleased by our faith in Sacred Heart, Bishop agreed to change the new church name, and finally, in 2002, St. Joan of Arc Church at Angelisatu was named as Sacred Heart of Jesus. On 11th June 2021, on the Sacred Heart feast day, when the students left the school at noon, I was moving in a hurry, but surrounded by the children, and naughty among them asked, "Father, where are you going?" I said, "I'm going to Anja, 1 kilometer from here." Next question, "Why are you not going by vehicle?" I said, "No money to go by cycle rickshaw." Next question, "Father, when will you come back? Don't you feel hungry? It is already noon." I said, "I feel hungry." Later realized that I was mistaken. Then I saw the lovely hospitality of a child. He said, "Father, right now I will get you bread." I told the facts. On this feast day, I am going to the nearby convent for a lunch. I don't want bread now. Father Shaiju, Jindo and other guests are already waiting there. No, father, he said, "You are lying." And he started looking for something in his tiny bag. As it was getting late for the feast, I said, "No need of bread," and I started moving fast. After a while, the little angel kept a piece of paper in my hands. I looked at it with curiosity. That small kid was looking not for something else, but for a little money equivalent of 10 rupees to find the price of my bread. The money which he got for his food was offered for an hungry who is elder than his papa. I saw the wetness of the Sacred Heart of Jesus in his eyes. Sacred Heart of Jesus appeared like an infant angel. Normally children used to ask me for chocolates, but here I was shocked. How can I repay for this? I shared this lovely experience while having lunch with other priests and guests. Meanwhile, Father Vicar General told, bishops used to say that people of this region are very poor, but very generous and concerned in sharing. Luke chapter 21 verses 4 says, "For all of them have contributed out of their abundance, but she, out of her poverty, has put in all she had to live on." Yes, the Sacred Heart of Jesus sacrificed everything for us without keeping anything for himself. Father Johnson from Madagascar.